So it looks like I already got one of those vibratory saws, so I just got to go get the blades. So I'm going to run to the store and grab these blades, and I'll be right back. What up, YouTube? Joseph from Zero Mechanics. So today we are headed to Spenard Builder Supply because they are the closest store to me. I have to get a vibratory saw blade for my DeWalt vibratory saw. I am doing some plumbing today. We're doing a plumbing repair in the kitchen. Not in the kitchen. We're doing a plumbing repair in the bathroom. And it's been 2 years. We bought the house 2 years ago. The downstairs shower has never worked because the pipes froze. Someone stole the furnaces out of the house when we were buying it, and all the pipes froze. And I never got it repaired. So I had a plumber out this morning, and they told me that the only way they can repair it is if I cut a huge hole in the wall so that they can access the pipes. So I went outside in the garage and I found that I actually own a vibratory tool, vibratory saw. I've never even held it in my hand. Today was the first time I ever held it. So we're gonna pull up here to the Spenard Builder Supply. We're pulling up right now, and we're gonna grab some saw blades, and then we're gonna go and try to cut a giant hole in the in the shower and gain access to these pipes. Here we are, Spenard Builder Supply. Let's get up in here and get our supplies. All right, we got them. Looks like we got everything we needed. It was about $53. If I went on Amazon, I could have got it for like 40 bucks. But I wouldn't have had it today. So that's the price of living in Alaska. Gotta spend an extra $10, $13 just to have it today. But we got a whole kit. Well, my phone connected to the truck whenever I was starting it up, so it cut off my video. But like I was saying, I got a whole kit coming like 5 different blades. So now let's go cut a hole in the shower. I'm excited to test out this new tool I found. That'd be cool. Y'all check out these views though. Wow. I just love it here. Alaska is so beautiful. Okay, let's go. All right, we made it back. We are back from the Spenard Builder Supply. Let's go in, knock a hole in the wall. This should be fun. I'm excited. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, you can see what I'm trying to do. Inside here, that froze, and so what happened is this piece right there, well, let me get my finger out of it, that piece froze, and I can't find a replacement for the innards. So I tried to heat up the copper and like do it myself, and all I did was make it worse. And now I have to cut out all of this tile around this so that the plumber can get in and replace this what a mess, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this out. Let's see if we can get it done. Let's go. Well, I will say that this is taking much longer to cut through than I expected. And we already burned up one whole battery. So, this is a time-consuming job. And we're not even halfway done yet. Let's put this thing on the charger. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's get you off this tripod. You can see I tried to get it out in one piece, didn't work. So I just ripped it out. So you can see here, I tried to loosen these while it was still in the wall. You can see I actually almost burnt my house down. I was trying to through that little hole, I was trying to get these off so I could replace this without having to do this, but that's not how it ended up working out. So now that it's exposed, I'm gonna call the plumber out and have him come do this because he'll probably do a better job than I will. So you can see I'm covered head to toe in dust now. But we got it done. It only took 2 batteries, a couple different saw blades. We got it done. All right, we got manual from Q1. What's the name of your company? Q1 Mechanical. Q1 Mechanical. He's gonna knock out this plumbing issue for us real quick. So we'll let him get this work done, and then we'll get in here and patch her up when it's all buttoned up. But thankful for him. Found him on Facebook. He came right on out. So I'm gonna save him in my phone. This is definitely my new plumber for sure. All right, well, Miguel's gone. We did not get it finished. Turns out the water lines coming from the ceiling down the wall have leaks in them. Both the cold water and the hot water leak when I turn it on. Sprayed water all in the wall. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut the lines up here. I'll show you. You can see where the line comes in, right? There's one there and one back there. You can't really see it. That's the cold, that's the hot. And somewhere in the wall here, they're both leaking. So we're just going to cut them right here. We're gonna run PEX down, and then we're just gonna go from copper to PEX. But we can't get those fittings until Monday. So my plumber Miguel will be back on Monday to finish this job so that we can at least have water pressure to the shower. And then I'll have to fix this hole I made and repatch it up. But we're at a standstill now. So until then, I'll see y'all later. Check back in.
Bye.